Hello and welcome to Speak Your Truth English. This channel is a safe and friendly place to practice speaking English. You don't have to be perfect. Just try your best and be honest. This channel helps you grow your confidence and express your real thoughts and feelings in English. Each video is short and easy to follow. We'll practice phrases, model talks, warm-ups, and reflections together. How to use it. First, choose a video that matches your mood or interest. Maybe a quick warm-up to start your day, or a model talk to practice real conversations. Watch and listen carefully. Repeat the English after me, out loud if you can. If you need more time, pause the video. There's no rush. Take your time and speak when you feel ready. You can also write your ideas in the comments in English or Japanese. Share your truth. Your words matter here. Remember, this is a safe space. Everyone learns at their own pace. Even small efforts help you grow. Thank you for being part of Speak Your Truth English. Don't worry about mistakes. Just try and speak your truth.